Good morning students. Today we will revise our chapter agriculture. Okay. In this chapter we will read about the economic activities and the definition of the agriculture and the types of the farming. Okay. So be careful and be attentive in this class. Yes. Now first of all we know the meaning of the agriculture. So economic activities. What are economic activities? The transformation from a plant to a finished product. To a finished product means to a complete ready product. Okay. The transformation from a plant to a finished product involves three types of economic activities. Economic activities is related with the money. Okay? Money related activities are categorized into three parts. Okay, first is primary, then secondary, and the third is tertiary. Okay, so the three types of economic activities are there. Who will tell the name? Only raise your hand. Okay. Yes, Puranjay?
Primary activities, secondary activities and tertiary activities.
Very good. Sit down. Now the concept is clear. So we know about the primary activities. Primary activities include all those connected with the extraction and the production of natural resource. Okay, the natural resource. These activities or the primary activities are related with the natural resource. Example. Who will give the example? Agriculture. Okay, agriculture is the primary activity. Now the secondary activity. Secondary activities are concerned with the processing of these resources. When we use the primary activity and we convert the primary activity into manufacturing goods, it's known as the secondary form or the secondary activity. Some examples like cotton. Okay, when we convert the cotton into cloth, manufacture the cloth, it means it's a secondary activity. Now the tertiary activity. Tertiary activities provide support to the primary and secondary activities. Okay, tertiary activities provide to the support of these two activities like primary and secondary activities. Some examples like transportation, trade, banking, insurance. These are the examples of the tertiary activities. Now the concept is clear with all these things. Now we will read about the concept is clear with the help of this word. Agriculture means, so the word agriculture is derived from the Latin word. It is derived from the Latin word. This means ager or agri. ठीक है, ager or agri. It means soil and the culture means cultivation. So it's clear. So agriculture, if we are talking about the agriculture, so agriculture is a primary activity which includes growing crops, vegetables, flowers and rearing of livestock. And in the world level 50% of the people are engaged in the agricultural work. Engaged in the agricultural activity in this 2/3. It means the 2/3 of the India's population is still dependent on agriculture. 2/3 persons are still dependent on agriculture. So we will confirm with this matter that agriculture is a primary activities. Okay, all the secondary and the tertiary activities are also dependent on agriculture because it's a primary activity. Okay, now the favorable topography of soil and climate are the vital for the agricultural activity. The land in which the crops are grown are known as the arable land. ठीक है. What do you understand by the arable land?
Then the land on which the crops are
First of all, you have to stand, then give the answer.
Then the land on which the crops are grown.
Yes, the land in which the crops are grown is known as the arable land. Now here are culture. You know the meaning of culture. Culture means cultivation. Okay. Now here are some types, that agriculture, sericulture, pisciculture, viticulture and horticulture is there. Okay. The 5 types. Again I am repeating: agriculture, sericulture, pisciculture, viticulture and horticulture. So what do you understand by agriculture? First of all, we know about the meaning of the agriculture. So agriculture is the science and art of the cultivation on the soil. Science and art. Be focused on that 2 words, science and art. So agriculture is the science and art of the cultivation on the soil, raising crops and rearing the livestock, and it is also called the farming. Okay, it is also called the farming. Now the second is sericulture. When the commercial rearing of silkworm, when we use the worms and we have to do business with them. ठीक है, जब हम क्या करते हैं, worms को collect करके उनके थ्रू business करते हैं. So the commercial activity was there. Okay, so the commercial rearing of silkworms means the sericulture. Okay, sericulture is related to the silkworm. S, you can remember this word S. Sericulture is related to the word S is there, so you can revise silkworm. S, you can correlate with them. Now the pisciculture. Pisciculture means the breeding of fish in especially the constructed tanks and ponds. When we breed the fishes, ठीक है, in the constructed tanks and ponds is known as the pisciculture. Now the next is viticulture. Viticulture means the cultivation of grapes. Yes, Varun, stand up beta. Grapes means, yes, grapes means yes,
From grapes.
angur. Very good. Sit down. Grapes is a fruit. Okay, so viticulture means the cultivation of grapes. When we cultivate the grapes, ठीक है, जब हम cultivation करते हैं किस चीज़ का, only grapes, it's known as viticulture. Now the third one is the horticulture. Horticulture means growing vegetables, flowers and fruits for the commercial use. When we use these things on the commercial basis, okay, commercial basis means for the business purpose, okay, for selling. Is that clear? Commercial purpose topic is clear? When we use these things on the commercial purpose like vegetables, flowers and fruits, it's known as horticulture. Now here we completed all the types, that agriculture, sericulture, pisciculture and viticulture. Concept is clear? Should I ask any question to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.